The Lost Island of Atlantis. The myth of Atlantis dates back to 355 BC. In his book Timaeus, Plato, a Greek philosopher, wrote about an island in the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantis was a peaceful and rich country. Poseidon, the Greek god of the sea, created and protected it. The capital city. The capital city of Atlantis was amazing. In the center, there was a temple dedicated to Poseidon. Inside the temple stood a gold statue of Poseidon driving 6 horses. The people. The people were very rich. They were mostly sailors and traders. They had large ships and sailed all around the world. Some people were farmers and worked in the fields. They also raised cows and sheep. The kings. The kings who ruled the island lived in beautiful palaces. Their walls were covered in gold and silver. There were also lovely statues, paintings, and fountains in the palaces. The earthquake. People lived happily until one day, a terrible earthquake happened. The island disappeared into the ocean. Only a few people survived to tell the story of the great empire. Did Atlantis exist? There are many theories about where Atlantis was. It was either near the Azores or in the Mediterranean Sea near Sardinia, Crete, Malta, or Santorini. It seems that the area between Santorini and Crete in Greece is the most probable. Many people believe Atlantis sank at the same time the great earthquake destroyed the island of Santorini.